Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. If you watched my previous video, you'll know what this one is about. And we're going to be having a look at the new Gamma Boosted trimmer. We're going to open the box, have a look and see what we get inside. I'll have a little bit of a look, show some of the specifics on here. And if you stick around to the end, I'll do a decibel, a weight test, and I will give my final thought on whether this trimmer may be for you or not. So let's stop messing about and get into the Gamma Boosted trimmer. We've had a look inside the box. Now we're just going to have a look at the actual box itself. I'm just going to read through a few of these things and then I'll show you the clipper as well. It comes with the Super Torque 8000 RPM motor. Absolutely mows through hair like a hot knife through butter. I've said that many times with a lot of the products what I do review, but it is literally the case. It's fully adjustable, so you can zero gap that, and it comes with a little zero gap tool, so you can decide whether you want a soft set or an aggressive set. It comes with the Black Diamond X Pro wide blade and the one cutting blade. If you've watched some of my videos, I'm a massive fan of the one cutting blade. It is by far the smoothest cutting blade there is out there that I have used. I haven't used many trimmers from other companies, so I can't compare it too much, but just from the blades that I've actually used from Gamma and Stylecraft, by far the best. The two changeable lids plus the black one, so you can change it up to match your colour scheme, and it has the 3 LED lights indicating different levels of battery. It's 120 minutes of run time. It comes with the anti-slip charging dock as well, and you also get your bag of knickknacks. Now let's have a look at the trimmer. The trimmer itself, I would compare it to something similar to the size of the Sabre. If you like the Sabre, then I think you'll like the shape of this. It does feel quite bulky in the hand. That being said, I do have big hands, so nothing really ever feels bulky. That's just something to be aware of if you like a more of an Andy slimline, or even the Stylecraft Flex that has a really nice slim shape to that, which fits really nice in the hand if you don't have big sausage hands like me. The X Pro blade on there as well, with the one cutting blade. Another little feature that I really like is the switch. Now, most trimmers that I've used have a little pushy on off switch. I like this because it is like the clipper, and I don't know why, but it's just oddly satisfying that you've got an actual switch on there. That's another thing that I really like about this. The next thing that I'm a fan of, and I think it's a step forward from most of the other trimmers that have been brought out by different companies and even Stylecraft and Gamma, but they have gone for the USB-C charging lead. Now it makes it a little bit more universal. Everybody's got USB-Cs now knocking about, and they are a faster charging, so that's a great feature. Right, so let's have a look at it in action, and then what I will do is I'll do the weight and the decibel test, and I'll give you my final thoughts on whether this trimmer may be the one for you or not. So guys, that has been the Gamma Boosted trimmer. Let's get to nitty gritty. The price point of this trimmer is $159.95 over at gamma-na.com. Is it worth the money? Hell yeah, it's worth the money. It may be a little bit noisy, it may be a little bit bulky, but the power of this outweighs all of that. It absolutely mows through hair with the 8,000 RPM super torque motor. It's got the one cutting blade on there, so it's super smooth. If you're interested in this trimmer, head over to gamma-na.com, use my code RUSTY15, that'll save you 15%, and I will catch you in the next one, where we're going to be having a look at the new Instinct foil shaver.